Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying system basics, Windows 10 1903 or newer, or Windows 11, and a 64-bit build so the app can install correctly. Once done, sign into Windows with the same Microsoft account you use on Xbox to sync device settings. Make sure optional updates are allowed, then open Microsoft Store and search for Xbox accessories. Right away, click Install. The store will handle dependencies. This step gets the app files on your PC and prepares the drivers you need next. Now focus on connectivity and firmware. Plug your Xbox controller into the PC with USB-C for a direct link or pair it over Bluetooth. For minimal latency, use the Xbox wireless adapter. As soon as the controller connects, Windows should install drivers automatically. That provides gamepad support. If driver install stalls, open Device Manager and update the device driver manually. Then launch the Xbox Accessories app to run any firmware updates and to set profiles or remap buttons. That's how you get full functionality. To finish, configure and save a profile in the Xbox Accessories app, then test it in a game to confirm inputs and trigger zones feel right. Make sure the app has permission to run in the background and that exclusive access is enabled for titles that need it. If something fails, reset the app in Windows settings, reinstall the controller drivers from Device Manager, and run Windows Update to restore missing dependencies. One quick troubleshooting tip: unplug, reboot, and reconnect before deeper fixes. It often resolves handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.